It uses a C port right here. This is how bright the flashlight is. You can turn it off. This is what you would use to cut your seatbelt open. Like that. Look at that. It's got some weight to it. I guess this would be the hammer side, and this would be to break your window. And since it's got weight to it, you can use it as a defensive tool. You know, someone's coming after you and you need it. And it's, look at how small it is. Look at my hand. But it's still got enough weight that it'll do some damage on either a car window, you know, or whatever. It's a hammer if you need to hammer something. So I like it. It's going right on my dashboard on the bottom, or my glove compartment. Oh, look at that. I think that's SOS. Cool. I like it. 5 out of 5 for me, because you never know if it'll save your life or not.